Hello stars, welcome back to my channel, Tee Starbakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make this lovely heart-shaped cake decoration. Firstly, of course, I have fully crumb coated my cake, and now I would be applying the final layer as you see me here. If this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that if you do. And also please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it and you like the cake decoration. Thank you so much. This cake was for a bridal shower. It has the little sticker on top of it that says wifey loading, and it was quite a simple cake, but I just decided to video it to show you the process of how you can fully and easily cover a heart-shaped cake. I mean, because it's a strange shape, it's not a circle. So after fully covering it up, I pop it into the fridge to freeze it up a bit, and then went ahead to add my paper. Of course, you can use an edible paper, but I am using normal paper. And I lined this paper with fondant, as you can see from under. And then I just went ahead to pipe my borders. I am using the cream color and lilac, purple, I don't know, any of this name you decide to call it. And this is just me trying to make this vintage decoration. Guys, I don't do really much of this vintage decoration, so I guess I really tried here for someone who doesn't do it a lot of time. And to finish this up, I added some silver dust on the cake to make it glitter a bit. And then I also proceeded to add my pearls and sprinkles on the cake. And this is the end result, guys. It looks so beautiful. And I hope you can use this cake decoration for your upcoming bridal shower or whatever. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.